This is uncut diamonds. We've tried to make something जो हम gowns के साथ पहन सकें, because आजकल बहुत Indianized और Westernized weddings are all fusion today. So we've tried to make a fusion jewelry and with a lot of polki in it, because I'm an uncut diamond lover. So yeah.
After wearing this jewelry, I'm in love with this kind of jewelry. Really, I think 3 cheers to Alka and AK's Jewelers. बहुत बढ़िया डिज़ाइन किया because I would never understand कि इसको गाउन के साथ पहनने के बाद इतना the fusion effect is so amazing, so brilliant. And of course, that's how I was able to sing with that full zest and mood. I was in the mood because once a woman looks beautiful, feels beautiful, she can perform beautifully. I always associate beauty and fashion with music because my music has a lot of essence of beauty in it, and that's how I get inspired to make my music. और मेरा जो गाना क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में, I got an award for that in 2007 in San Francisco, वो भी शाहरुख खान के हाथों at the Sahara Sangeet Award. तो वो गाना मैंने ब्यूटी के लिए ही डेडिकेट किया था, and it was absolutely appropriate for this collection, for this beautiful polki uncut diamond जो मैंने आज पहना हुआ है.
Because she is the dearest and darling friend I have, and Shivani isliye bhi because she's a lady with a golden voice. So thank you so much.
शिवानी, आखिरी सवाल आपसे जानना चाहूँगा इससे जुड़ी कोई यादें या फिर किसी ने आपको गिफ्ट किया होगा ऐसे कोई बात अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें.
Well, I would say that the most precious gift to a woman, as far as jewelry is concerned, is the wedding ring, the diamond ring which her husband gives her, and that is my most treasured one.
Inspiration, theme of the show. See, the inspiration is all about, I was inspired by fusion jewelry and the jewelry which you can wear it in with the gowns. Because now on every occasion, everybody is switching to gowns from lehengas. So then I tried and I thought, why not uncut jewelry? Is one of the oldest jewelry that we manufacture. It's only manufactured in India. It's most treasured in all across the globe and US and everywhere. Nobody can manufacture what we can do. So that's why, yeah. So I thought that let's just make something which is Indianized and we can wear it with the jewelry. See, it's all about, it's again of polki, but yeah, of course, diamonds are also very important. See, now everybody wants, in every wedding, everybody wears heavy kundan jewelry. So that's most important, and that's the coming trend. Fusion jewelry is an upcoming thing, yes. Diamonds with kundan, yes. Thank you.